Well, hello everyone. Ashanti Titus with Profit Mode Financial Services. I hope that you are having an amazing week. And we are going to jump right into our sponsor, which is Profit Mode Financial Services. Do you have a side hustle or a business that you are looking to make official and recognized by the state of Texas? Well, you can actually do that by creating a single member LLC. So a single member LLC you can have a step-by-step process to actually create. We created a course just for you if you are a DIY person who would like to create your own LLC and you're ready to go and you don't have any excuses anymore and you want to create your LLC. We have just the class for you. So if you click the link below, we'll take 50% off, and in this class we're going to show you how to set up your LLC with the state of Texas, how to make sure your filings are filed on time, and what filings you actually need in order to maintain and keep your entity in good standing. Okay, so this class essentially is $97. We have slashed that price in half, so you're able to now get it for $48.50 for a limited time only. We also have some nuggets in there to tell you and to show you how important it is to do your revenue, so you're never having to worry about the tax man. So if you're looking to start your own LLC with the state of Texas, click the link below and it'll take you directly to the link so you can have your class and show you how to create your entity in the state of Texas. All right, so we are now going to get into the goods, what you came here for. So if you're looking to start a business, this is a very lucrative business to start, and it's called the Amazon Delivery Service Program. I actually got to sit in on a call with an individual that has just started doing this program, and it's definitely an exciting opportunity because it will allow you to actually be a entrepreneur and a business owner, because literally they have created a system just for you. They show you how to do your payroll, how to hire drivers. But even if you're not looking to hire drivers and it's just something that you want to do yourself, they're going to show you about the routes, what you need to do in order to maintain your contract with Amazon. And pretty much what you're going to be doing is delivering packages from the Amazon warehouse to different residences. So many of us, we shop on Amazon, on a weekly basis. So those packages that you will receive are coming from the delivery drivers that are part of this program. So this program is pretty much showing you how to become one of those drivers, and that is the program to become one. Okay, so let's get into the numbers. So as far as for the minimum, from what he was telling me, from the gross, it starts at $250,000 a year, and it could scale up to a little bit over $1 million, depending on how hard you work and if you decide to hire individuals. Okay, so there is a quota to meet as it pertains to how many packages that you need to deliver on a daily basis. So if you are, slacking for a certain amount of time, you do run the risk of losing your potential you're losing your contract with Amazon. So you definitely have to make sure that your metrics are up to par. But the thing is, they left no stone unturned. So they have a system in place that is, helps successful entrepreneurs to be more successful with their program. Okay, one of the things you do have to apply to be a part of this program. So I'm going to give the link below for you to check out this opportunity. Okay, so this is a great opportunity if you are tired of the rat race or tired of really not having control of your days and then also your business revenue. This is a good laid out systematized plan for people who may not be entrepreneurial, but they just need a system and they know how to follow instructions pretty much. I mean, this is a 6-figure, 7-figure plus business for you. Okay, and even if you don't, even if you are well versed in business, it's a good lucrative opportunity to create another business to go in your portfolio business to generate cash flow for you. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful. If you are looking to for a business opportunity to create more income for yourself, then definitely check out the Amazon Delivery Service Program. All right, until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Bye.